Because I don't know if I just lost my touch, but the glue, I use the spray because the glue just don't be working, but the spray is bueno. So it's literally done. It's like down here, but we're gonna get the best of it. And I just spray right where I'm about to put the wig. The thing is broken. The ghetto.
China bitch.
But I'm in the dentist, and I take that back because I meant it. Okay guys, so while we wait, I want to mention this really good company that you guys should go check out. And if you guys, the more that you guys comment saying like yes, you want to check it out, then I'll actually bring forth some content. So basically, it's this company called Cora Bags. Basically, it's where you get cheap. Well, it's not OD cheap, but it's less than the cost of actual bags. And it's all name brand bags that you could think of. And it's basically like a bougie on a budget. So if y'all are interested, then let me know. Huge Black Friday deal. You have $50 off 300, and you have $100 off if you spend 600. And as you can see on their site, they have other people's YouTube videos reviewing the bags. These bags are legit. They're legit dupes, and like they just look really good. And basically, if you guys want to know more, they look great. Granted, they're not $50. They're in the hundreds. They're in the 400s. They're in the 500s. So it's bougie on a budget, all right? It is bougie on a budget. And it is, if you guys want to know more information, it's called Cora Bags that are you. They have Gucci, Chanel, Dior, YSL, Fendi, Prada, Burberry, Chloe, Dior. Like, you can't go wrong. I'm looking right now. Like, you can't go wrong. You got Hermes or Hermes. Like, come on. Coco handle totes. They got all you can think of. Trust me, they have all you could think of. And if you guys want to know more about it, let me know. Good dupes. Like, why not? So if you guys want to know more, comment down below. I'll leave the link in the sites. I'll leave the link to the site down in the description box. And let's just carry on with this wig, y'all. So I'm pretty sure this is not the best wig install you've seen on Instagram or whatever, or on YouTube. But I do something called fake it till I make it. And that's exactly what I'll be doing today. So I think it's pretty like snug on my head. I don't think it's moving. But what I do not like is when the hair's glued down with it. So I'm just brushing the hairs back. I'll leave the sideburn there, but I'm just brushing the hair back. This is how we're looking. Imagine this was flat, not too shabby. Ooh. Now all of a sudden, it want to spray out regular when it was embarrassing me. You don't even have to really like hold it down. It's already gonna it's just gonna stick on its own. Granted, if you want to use a blow dryer, you can. Fan your weave, baby. Fan your weave, baby. This isn't lace, it's just dye. It's whatever. So this is my first time gonna be doing this kind of style. So first what I want to do is I'm gonna take some mousse and I want to put the mousse all right here so it could be flat. Once that was like a really big difference. So I think we're gonna part like this much. If you know how to braid, this should be the easy part, but maybe I want to do some baby hair, so we're just going to braid. Needs to be a little bit more here, a little bit thicker. You see how this started from here? I'm gonna match it with the other side. And what I learned is to not braid so tightly, so it just looks a little bit more effortless. To attempt some baby hairs. So I'm not gonna talk right now. Down one last time. It looks so white, but I promise y'all it's not white. Like, I'm gonna keep this on for like 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back. I feel like a whole new person. Put on some lashes. And I actually, you know, did a little something. It still look a little white right here. I'm just gonna take some of this side is valid, but take some of the makeup and I'm just gonna put it right on it so it's not that noticeable. Run my flat iron ruin my hair right quick. It's on 410 degrees. If you guys want to see how I colored this hair, it will be in the eye part. This is my good side anyways. I only take pictures on this side. That's why, you know, I had to finesse. This side I don't really care about. Plus I'm not going anywhere. This is literally just for the sake of a tutorial. For more information on the bags, more information is down there. They take regular card, Cash App, and you get it within 7 to 14 business days. And it's really good. A whole bunch of famous people use it. A whole bunch of Instagram influencers used it. But thank you guys for watching. I really like how this came out. Granted, this side obviously looks better. I love it. Period. I'll see you guys in the next video, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to me. I feel like I've been at 2,000 subscribers for forever, but that's my fault. But let's get to 3,000. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my socials, and I'll see y'all in my next video.